This Hawk tutorial video will cover the last step in the process of creating a data pivot visualization for animal studies, how to modify additional settings to filter and format the visualization. On the assessment landing page, click Visualizations under the Available Modules menu on the left side of the screen. Choose the visualization to finalize. Choose Edit Display Settings from the Actions menu to continue formatting the visualization. Click the Settings tab. The first two sub-tabs, Descriptive Text Columns and Visualization Data, are covered in another Hawk tutorial video. These sub-tabs must be completed for Hawk to display a visualization. The remaining tabs, Data Filtering and Ordering, References, Styles, and Other Settings, are optional sub-tabs that can be used to further format and refine the visualization. The Data Filtering and Ordering sub-tab allows users to apply additional data filters, sort data rows, and extra spacing and/or lines within the plot area, and customize individual rows of data. Row filters determine which components of the data set are displayed on the figure. One or multiple filter criteria can be added. For each criterion, identify field name, filter type, and value. If multiple criteria are added, the appropriate filter logic must be specified. Row sorting specifies the order in which the rows of data will appear. Sorting priority is based on the order in which the fields are listed. Specify sorting order for each field as either ascending or descending. To adjust ordering priority, use the Move Up and Move Down arrows under Ordering. Remove fields using the X under Ordering. Additional row spacing adds extra spacing and/or lines within the plot area. To use this option, the row index or line number for each row of data needing a horizontal line and/or added space must be determined. Keep in mind that these lines and added spaces are static and might need to be revisited if data are added, removed, or resorted. Row-level customization of individual rows of data can be performed after other filtering and sorting is complete. Note that any changes applied here to sorting, filtering, or styles will override previously defined settings. By default, Hawk checks the Include box for each row of data. To exclude particular rows of data from the visualization, uncheck these boxes. Row index is a numerical field that can be used to sort rows of data. Text line and symbol styles can be selected for individual rows of data using the drop-down lists. All row-level customizations can be removed by clicking the Reset button. Note that a resorting or refiltering using row filters and row sorting can reset row-level customizations. When modifications to the Data Filtering and Ordering sub-tab are complete, click Update Data Pivot Settings to save the updates and display the visualization. In the visualization, you will see that data have been filtered, data rows have been sorted, and reference lines and extra spaces have been added according to the defined settings. The remaining sub-tabs are used to further format and refine the visualization and are discussed in subsequent Hawk tutorial videos. For more information and for more Hawk tutorial videos, visit hawkproject.org.